Let us discuss the sign convention and formulae for concave mirror and convex mirrors, which means for spherical mirrors. Here, before writing the sign conventions, first we need to remember four things, which means four main points. One is distance in object side, distance in other side, height above the principal axis, height below the principal axis. Here, distances which measured in object side are negative, distances which measured in other side are positive, height above the principal axis are positive, height below the principal axis are negative. Just we have to remember that 4 points. Easy to write the sign convention for distances and heights easily. First, for concave mirror. Pole, focus, center of curvature. Just I am taking the example illustration. Object is beyond C. When the object is beyond C, image formed between F and C. This is object O dash, image I dash. Here object side negative, other side positive. What are negative, what are positive, we have to see now. Here, pole to focus gives focal length. This focal length is object side, so negative. Pole to center of curvature gives radius of curvature. This is also object side, negative. Pole to object is a object distance, that is u, also object side, negative. Pole to image is a image distance. This is also object side, negative. Height above the principal axis O dash, height of the object HO, that equal to O dash. This is also, this is positive. Height above the principal axis positive, height below the principal axis I dash, that is height of the image, that is negative. Next, suppose when the object is between P and F, here there is a object, here we get the image. In that case, the image distance Pi is positive. Pi is positive, which means when an object between P and F will get a image distance V is positive. When object between P and F, image distance is positive. Object between P and F in the sense object distance less than the focal length. The condition is object distance less than the focal length. Now, for convex mirror, this is a pole, focus, center of curvature. We have to keep the object in front of the convex mirror, not inside the convex mirror. So must keep the object here. This is O dash. Always we get the image between P and F here. This is I dash. We know object side is negative, other side is positive. What are there in the object side? Object side P to O. PO is a object distance, negative. P to F, PF is a gives focal length, that is other side, positive. PI gives image distance, that is also positive. PC radius of curvature, this is also other side only, positive. O dash, that is height of the object HO is above, so positive. I dash, that is also above HI, positive. Here all positive only except object distance. Object distance always negative for convex mirror, concave mirror, for convex lens and concave lens also. For every case, object distance is negative. Now, formulas, important formulas used in this. One is relation between R and F. R equal to 2F or F equal to R by 2. The second formula is mirror formula, that is 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U, or this can also be right 2 by R equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Next, magnification, that is M equal to minus V by U, which is equal to HI by HO, where R is the radius of curvature, F is the focal length. Here F is the focal length, V is image distance, U is object distance. Here radius of curvature, image distance, object distance. M is magnification, V image distance, U object distance, HI height of the image, HO height of the object. Here indirectly three relations there, that can also be right. M equal to minus V by U, or minus V by U equal to HI by HO, and also can write M equal to HI by HO. Let us start the numericals or problems on spherical mirrors. The first problem is, an object of height 5 cm is placed at 30 cm distance on the principal axis in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 cm. Find the image distance, size of the image, and state the nature of image formed by ray diagrams. Here there are four questions. One is image distance, second one is size of the image, third one is nature, fourth one is ray diagram. First write the given data. It is a concave mirror, so write concave mirror. Next, object height of the object given, HO 5 centimeters. Placed at 30 centimeters distance, object distance, that is U 30 centimeters. On the principal axis in front of a concave mirror, focal length 20 centimeters. F is 20 centimeters. Find the image distance. The first question. V. Here. Before substituting the values in the given formula, must apply the sign convention rules. Here, height of the object. Object must be placed above the principal axis, so it is positive. Object distance, always negative, because this is always object side. Focal length, for concave mirror, object side focal length means the focus and object side both are same side, so focus gives focal length, so this is also negative. Suitable formula for VFU is mirror formula, that is 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. We want V, write 1 by V as a subject. 1 by V equal to 1 by F plus 1 by U. Now substitute the values. 1 by F value minus 20 plus 1 by this 1 by U, bring to that side, minus U value minus 30. Now 1 by V equal to minus 1 by 20, minus of minus plus 1 by 30. Here LCM of 20 and 30 60, 20 in 60, 3 times, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 30 in 60, 2 times, 2 into 1, 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1 by 60. This is 1 by V. Therefore, V equal to minus 60 centimeters. This is the image distance. Next, size of the image. When size of the object means height of the object given, then size of the image refers to height of the image. If height of the object not given, then size of the image refers to magnification. Here height of the object given, that's why size of the image, that is HI. Now the relation is HI by HO equal to minus V by U. Now HI equal to minus V by U of HO minus V value minus 60 by U value minus 30, HO 5. Minus minus gets cancelled, 0 0 cancel, 3 1 are 3 2s are. Therefore HI equal to minus 2 into 5, 10. Height of the image is 10 centimeters. Now write the nature by ray diagram. Ray diagram. Concave mirror. Focal length, this is 20 centimeters. Object distance 30. 20 plus 20, 40. But we want 30, so half of here. This is object. First rule. Next term. Third rule. The ray which is passing through center of curvature gets back along the same path. Here these two are intersecting, which gives image. This O dash, which refers to HO, I dash, which is HI. This is 10 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. Focal length is 20 centimeters. Object distance is 30 centimeters. Image distance is 60 centimeters. Nature. The image formed in front of the mirror, which means the image will formed on the screen. The image which get on the screen is called real image. Real image is always inverted image. Let's see the second problem. An object is placed 15 centimeters from a convex mirror of radius of curvature 60 centimeters. Find the position of image and magnification. State its nature by drawing ray diagram. First, what is given? It is a convex mirror. So write convex mirror. Next, an object is placed 15 centimeters from a convex mirror. So object distance is 15 centimeters. Radius of curvature, capital R, 60 centimeters. Find the position of image. Here, before substituting the values in the formula, as usual, apply the sign conventions. Object distance always negative. For convex mirror, radius of curvature is either side of the object. Already we discussed in the sign convention rules, so it is positive. Now, useful formula on U or V is 2 by r equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Write 1 by v as a subject, 1 by v equal to 2 by r minus 1 by u. Now substitute the values. 2 by r value 60 minus 1 by minus 15. 2 1 2 3 is 0. 1 by 30 minus of minus plus this 1 by v. Now 1 by v equal to 30 15 LCM 30. 30 in 30 one time, 1 into 1 1. 15 in 30 2 times, 2 into 1 2. 1 plus 2 3 by 30. 3 1 3 10. Now v equal to 1 by v equal to 1 by 10 reciprocal, v equal to 10 centimeters. So image distance is positive. For convex mirror, image distance is always positive. Next, magnification. That is m. M equal to minus v by u, minus v value 10, u value minus 15. Minus minus gets cancelled. 5 2s are 5 3s are 2 by 3 0. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Therefore, m equal to approximately 0.67. Here we notice that we must remember that for convex mirror, image distance is positive, magnification is positive. Note. For convex mirror, V positive, magnification positive always. Next, state its nature by drawing ray diagram. Ray diagram. Convex. Here, focal length will be this side, radius of curvature will be this side, object will be this side, this is other side, this negative side, this positive side. That's why only radius of curvature is taken as positive. Object will be placed here, that's why object distance is negative. What is object distance? 15 centimeters. What is radius of curvature? 60. Here 30, 30. 30 plus 30, 60. Object distance is 15. So here approximately 50. First rule. The reflected ray appears to coming from the focus. Next, incident ray. The ray which is directed towards the center of curvature gets back along the same path. Here these two are intersecting, which gives image. This is object, this is image. Image formed in the mirror, which means does not formed on the screen. That's why this type of image is called virtual image. Virtual image is always erected image. Number 3. An object is placed 20 centimeters from a convex mirror of focal length 10 centimeters. Find the position of image and magnification. Locate the position of image by drawing ray diagram. Here given it is a convex mirror. Next, an object is placed 20 centimeters, which means object distance given, that is 20 centimeters. Object distance is always negative. Focal length is 10 centimeter. Focal length for convex convex mirror is positive. Now the first question is find the position of image. Position of image, nothing but image distance. The relation between u, v and f. 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Write 1 by v as a subject. Now 1 by f minus 1 by u. Substitute the values. 1 by f value 10 minus 1 by u value minus 20. 1 by 10 minus of minus plus. Now 1 by v equal to 10 20 LCM 20 10 2 times 2 into 1 2 20 in 20 1 time 1 by v equal to 3 by 20. Now v equal to 20 by 3 6.67 centimeters. V positive for convex mirror. Next magnification. M equal to minus v by u minus v value 20 by 3 or 6.67, whatever you want, take it. I am taking 20 by 3. U value minus 20, minus minus gets cancelled. M equal to 20 by 3 into 1 by 20 gets cancelled. Magnification 1 by 3, that equal to 0.33 ja 33 ja. M equal to 0.33. Now locate the position of image by drawing ray diagram. Ray diagram, which means we have to show the image formation by ray diagram. It's a convex mirror. Focal length 10 centimeters, ear to ear 10, so 20 centimeters, 10 plus 10 approximately here. First rule. Next, third rule. Here these two are intersecting, which gives image. This is height of the object, this is height of the image. Height of the image is shorter than height of the object. That is how many times? 1 by 3. 1/3 image will form. This is the location of the image. Let us see the problem number 4. That is a real image. 1/5 the size of the object is formed at a distance of 18 centimeters from a mirror. State the nature of mirror and calculate its focal length. A real image, nothing but magnification, always negative for real image. Since it is a real image, magnification is negative, that is 1/5 the size of the object. So minus 1 by 5 size of the object is formed at a distance of 18 centimeters from a mirror. A real image formed 18 centimeters from a mirror. So image formed 18 centimeters from a mirror, which means it's a image distance V. Since it is a real image distance is negative. For real image distance negative, object distance negative, magnification negative. So minus 18 centimeters. Now State the nature of mirror and calculate its focal length. State the nature of the mirror. So which type of mirror it is? Magnification negative, image distance negative, object distance also must be negative in this case because it's a real image, and for magnification negative. So that the mirror is concave mirror. Since it is a real image, the mirror is concave. Now, if we want to find the focal length, we must V and U. V is there, U not given. So by using M, we can find the U value. We know magnification formula, M equal to minus V by U. M value minus 1 by 5. V value, this formula minus again minus 18 by U, we don't know. Minus minus gets cancelled both sides. Cross multiplication, U into 1, U. Next here minus 18, sorry, minus 5 into 18, 90. So object distance is 90 centimeters. How I was identified? Object distance never be positive, it is always negative. Now by using U and V, find F value. 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by V value minus 18 plus 1 by U value minus 90. This can also be right. Minus 1 by 18 minus 1 by 90. 18, 90, LCM 90. 18 5s are 5 into 1. 5 minus is there. 90 90, 1 time 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 minus 5. Minus 6 by 90. 6 1 ja, 6 15 ja. This is 1 by F. Therefore, F equal to minus 15 centimeters. If you like my videos, please subscribe it, share it and like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.